Hey everyone, welcome back. You can customize the Bitrix24 menu to highlight the tools you use most. Let's set up your layout for CRM or project management. First, let's simplify the menu. Click on the More menu item on the left, often shown with 3 dots. Then, select Customize menu. A new window will open showing all available applications. To focus on CRM, drag the CRM item to the very top of your menu list. You can also hide tools you don't use. Click the X next to items like sites to remove them from view. This makes your CRM the first thing you see. If you're all about project management, do the same thing. Drag tasks and projects to the top. You can also add time and reports to your main menu for easy access. Hide the other apps to reduce clutter. Finally, save your changes. Your left-hand menu will now only show the tools you need. This creates a clean, focused workspace that helps you get right to work. And that's it. In less than a minute, you can tailor Bitrix24 to match your workflow. If this streamlined your workspace, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.